Today, I'll show you how to pay a bill with Moneygram using their convenient and user-friendly app. Whether you're at home or on the go, Moneygram makes it simple to manage your bills efficiently. Let's dive into the process. First, grab your smartphone and open the Moneygram app. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen where you'll see various options to choose from. What you're looking for is the Pay a Bill feature. Tap on Pay a Bill or Pay a New Bill to get started. Now, you'll need to identify the biller you want to pay. You can do this in a couple of ways. You can either enter the biller's name manually or select it from a pre-existing list. If your biller has given you a specific receive code, this is the perfect time to enter it. This code helps ensure you're selecting the correct company for your payment. With the biller selected, it's time to enter the amount you wish to pay. Make sure to double check this figure. You want to be sure you're covering the full amount, avoiding any issues with the partial payments. After you've confirmed the amount, the next step is crucial, entering your account number or reference number. This information is essential for the biller to apply your payment correctly, so make sure it's accurate. Next, you'll choose your payment method. Moneygram offers flexibility here, allowing you to pay using either a debit card or a credit card. Pick the option that works best for you. Now, before you finalize anything, it's time to review all the details. This includes the payment amount, the biller information, and any additional fees that may apply. Reviewing this information ensures that everything is in order and avoids any unwanted surprises. When you're satisfied with the information provided, tap on Review and Send. This gives you one last chance to check everything before you hit Submit Payment. Once you confirm, your bill payment will be processed. And there you have it. You've successfully paid a bill with Moneygram. It's a straightforward process that makes managing your bills quick and easy. Thanks for following along and happy bill paying.